Imagine a future where your thoughts control the world around you. Well, guess what? This is a reality that isn't far out of our reach. In today's Odyssey, we will explore a topic that's as fascinating as it is controversial. Neuralink, Elon Musk's most far-fetched venture yet. Neuralink is a project that aims to create interfaces between the human brain and AI through a cutting-edge brain-computer interface, or BCI, that enhances human cognition and will treat neurological conditions. The amazing part is that all this is possible through the N1 brain chip that's the size of a nickel. But how will this technology achieve such a feat? In order to do this, the brain chip must first be implanted beneath the skull, with tiny electrode threads that are stitched into the brain with an extremely precise sewing robot. Neuralink then connects the brain to an external computer via Bluetooth, with the brain chip which monitors, records signals coming from neurons, which translates into motor controls with AI-decoded commands to the connected device, such as a computer cursor, robotic limb, or even a wheelchair. But this doesn't even begin to describe Neuralink's future plans. Neuralink will use this technology to help severely paralyzed patients walk again by stimulating the part of the brain that allows us to move on a perpetual basis. Yes, and their experiments like the brain-spine interface have demonstrated that this is possible. Neuralink also aims to enable the blind to see by creating bionic eyes that translate camera images into neural signals, directly stimulating the brain's visual cortex, forming artificial vision. Recently, after 7 years of research and development, Elon Musk's efforts got approved by the FDA for its first human clinical trial. The approval was not without its controversies, though. Elon Musk received public backlash in 2021 as some employees revealed that animal trials didn't go as smoothly as people thought. In one instance, 25 out of 90 pigs died after being fitted with the wrong-sized chips. Fortunately, Elon announced that an anonymous human subject that received a N1 brain chip implant on the 28th of January is recovering well. So where does this leave us? On the brink of a new era in human cyborg evolution, or teetering on the edge of ethical and existential crises? Well, the core promise of the technology enabling the brain to communicate directly with computers presents a golden opportunity to solve numerous issues that we have today. But it also poses significant security challenge, as it could potentially open up new avenues for cyber attacks or direct brain manipulation. For example, allowing the exchange of neural data with machines opens up potential for malicious hacking and violation of private thoughts and subjective experiences. Unmitigated access to the brain-computer interface could allow extracting personal thoughts, implanting code to manipulate our senses or physical movements, or even altering the fundamental makeup of one's mind and personality. Extraordinary cybersecurity would be critical to protect the sanctity of human consciousness being invaded, overridden, or distorted. The risks go beyond data breaches to possibly compromising the integrity of human cognition and free will as we know it. On a positive note, as a byproduct of Neuralink usage, mankind will be better aware of their ever-present mental abilities, developing disciplines to curtail base distractions while linked to machinery, blocking rogue thoughts that would interfere with the operation of their linked devices. As it stands, Neuralink will bridge the gap between AI and computational deficiency of time-constrained biological thinking. AI can already compute the equivalent of an entire lifetime's thoughts within a fraction of a second. If we are to direct something with such superior processing speed, we will need to automate our physical world more efficiently, as well as automate research for intuitive cues and background data to support the real-time AI prompting, which will keep elite prompt engineers on par for their work quotient. Thank you for embarking on this enlightening odyssey with us. We hope you found this video both enjoyable and informative. Please share your opinion in the comment section regarding the Neuralink project. Subscribing is a form of bookmarking the channel to see more of our awesome content. Always stay curious, and we'll see you in the next Odyssey.